Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the follow-up review video for the Bartesian cocktail maker. This is the Duet Bartesian. So as you can see right here, we have the Bartesian Classic Cocktail Mix Set. So this one here gives you whiskey sour, margarita, old fashioned, Long Island, cosmopolitan, and uptown rocks. So as you guys, after I unbox it, I would do a follow-up video to show you guys how everything is set up. So with this one, you can only put 2 spirits in here. Here's the first container, and here's the second container right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put our tequila and our whiskey in these containers. They are marked right here. See with the arrow, it tells you right there what's gonna go in that one. That way you know which one to put it in and mark it in the machine. And the second one will have the tequila in there as so. So here's the cocktails capsules that you get a good look at the front. Nothing too much on the side. In the back you have your calorie information for each drink. So if you need to watch the sugar or whatever, it has all that information back here. So it looks like the lowest sugar one seems to be the old fashioned, only has 6 grams of sugar compared to the rest. So right here, and this tells you more information right here on the side. That's the barcode. And as we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. You can see you get 1 of each, so you definitely have to make sure you use it wisely. They tell you what it's best with: Jim Beam, tequila, whiskey, low gin for that one, cosmopolitan is Effenbacher, and the Long Island. And right here, they tell you what to brew it on. Right here, you're gonna brew an old fashioned, and it tells you right here for a mocktail. You can brew it on in regular is 2 ounces, and if you want it strong, it's 3.4 ounces. So these are the caps. So the ones that take tequila and whiskey are the ones that we're going to use today. And you also can buy more of these bottles if you don't, because you don't have the regular Bartesian one that has 4. You can actually buy an extra one of these and just hold it off to the side and switch it out. That way you don't have to keep switching it, but you know, it's your preference and choice. So let's go ahead and take this capsule out for the old fashioned so you can see what it look like. That barcode gets scanned up here, and you put that in. Have our custom whiskey glass right there. So let's go ahead and load this up and make our cocktail. So we have our whiskey in this canister right here. So we'll go ahead and load it up on this, and we'll be right back after we load it up. Okay, we done loaded up the whiskey. Probably have to go ahead and get another bottle. So we're gonna go ahead and screw the cap back on. Make sure it's airtight. Now the whiskey is full. Now we'll go ahead and load this full bottle of tequila. As you can see, it takes a whole 1/5 of this tequila. It's 40% proof. Okay, so now that we loaded that up for the tequila, we go ahead and put the cap back on. Make sure it's airtight. And then we get ready to load it in our slots. So first thing you want to do is make sure you definitely put it in the right slot. So they're telling you where that, see that 1 is? It will go right there in the 1, and that will be the W for the whiskey. And then if you switch right here, number 2, that's where you want the tequila to go in the second spot back there. So we're gonna go ahead and insert these into the spots. Put the whiskey in the number 1 spot. Just give it a slight push down. And then again, make sure these caps are on tight. Put the tequila in the second spot. Push down till you hear like a small click. And now that we have them in there, what we want to do is switch it back to number 1 up here, which is for the whiskey, and insert our old-fashioned capsule. So let's go ahead and put that in. Right there, make sure that barcode is reading it accurately, and then we push down. Right here, gives you the instructions. Said please place a lowball glass with ice under the dispenser. So let's go ahead and put one of our whiskey rocks in here for the ice, and then we'll go ahead and brew. Okay, go ahead and insert that whiskey rock in there. Tried to do something a little different, but you know, you can get the whiskey actual ice whiskey ball or the whiskey ice, square ice, put that in there, but I'm gonna use the whiskey rock for this video. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit next. Then right here, it lets you know if you want it on regular or how strong do you want it. So you have to be able to tell it. So on regular, let's go ahead and test it out. Let's try it strong. That's why I like my old fashions. And right here where it says mix, go ahead and hit that. And it starts to brew. So let's see it in action, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna make the tequila. We saw in the previous video that we did the old fashioned with the Bartesian drink maker, cocktail maker. So now we're gonna show you guys the review of how to make the margarita. It just says just add tequila. We have our tequila in our slot number 2 right here, right there. And this one has whiskey in it. So here's the collection. As you can see, this is the variety pack: whiskey sour, margarita, old fashioned, Long Island, cosmopolitan, and Uptown Rocks. I'm more of an old fashioned guy. So right here, I have for myself, the old fashioned capsules. And like I said, this one comes with all of these in there. And here's the margarita one. It says low tequila. We already have it set to number 2, which is the spirit bottle. You hit select. Now it says accept. Now all you have to do is insert this capsule right here. You already see I have this margarita salt. The lime is already in there. And I have some mint also. I know that doesn't go in some margaritas, but I've tried this recipe before and kind of give it like a good flavor, almost like a mojito, but in a margarita. So let's go ahead and load the capsule. Flip it up like so. And you have to make sure you line it up just like this so the barcode reads. And you have to make sure you hit it down a couple of times, because if it doesn't poke a good hole, it can overspill right here. That's one of the cons. You have to just really make sure it pokes a hole, otherwise you're wasting liquor and it's going to create a mess. So let's go ahead and do it once. Says it's ready, but let's just do it one more time. See, the hold is good. Now one more time. Says hit next. You're gonna hit next. If you want a regular mojito, not mojito, but margarita. Thinking of the mint right here. All right, mix. Ready to go. Here we go. Have a nice margarita glass. And these also can be found these capsules can be found on Walmart and Amazon. So I'll put some links in there for you guys. You see it get it just perfect with that margarita glass. Just perfect. So most of these things right here, you see the collection. They have a margarita lovers capsules as well. Make sure I put these links in the description. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. So bringing you some good review videos. It helps the channel grow, and I can keep bringing you new products so you can check it out before you buy it. So this is the review of the Bartesian 2-bottle duet cocktail maker from Bartesian. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helps. Like I said, the pros is definitely convenient. You can just put everything and make a drink when you get ready. Just the cons, you just have to make sure that you put the capsules in correctly. As you see, it says cheers, open lid, and remove capsule, just to make sure you doesn't spill anything. So you can see it's empty right there. It's a hole in the bottom and a hole in the top, so it's gone. So thanks guys for watching. Catch you on the next video.